In the figure above, BD is parallel to AE. What is the length of CE? So we want the length of this line right here. To be able to do this, you might see that there are two triangles that we have here. We have the little one, which is CDB. So we can name this triangle CDB. And we have a bigger one, which is triangle CEA. So we can name this triangle CEA. Now, when you have two triangles, the concept behind this, usually on the SAT, is that these triangles are similar. For triangles to be similar, we have to prove similarity, and we're given some information to help us with that. So we are told that BD is parallel to AE. This line here is parallel to that one, which means AC is a transversal. Why is that important? We then know that this angle, it has to be 90 degrees also, because parallel lines and a transversal, these two angles are corresponding angles. Further, we know that this angle here has to be equal to that angle. Once again, parallel lines. This is now a transversal, and those two angles are, once again, corresponding. So we've proven that these two triangles are similar. So we just need to set up the corresponding parts equal to each other, and we'll have a proportion that we can solve for. Here's a little bit of a problem. On the little triangle, this is an unknown, whereas the question is asking us to find the corresponding part of the big one. So we need to at least know one of them. Well, we can't find CE yet, but we can find CD. Why? This is a right triangle. It has two sides given to us. So you can use Pythagorean theorem. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. So you'd have 36 plus 64 equals C squared. So C squared ends up being 100. So C is 10. That means this missing piece right here is 10. Now we can set up a proportion. Let's try to do this. We can set up the big triangle on the numerator and set the small triangle on the denominator, just for consistency. It doesn't matter which way you do it, you just want to be consistent. So let's look at the line segments. We want CE, that's what the question is asking for. So we'll start with that. So we need CE, and CE corresponds to CD on the little one. All right, what else are we given? On the big triangle, we are given AE. So we'll say EA corresponds to BD. And now we can plug in some numbers. CE is an unknown, so we'll call it X. CD is 10. EA is 18. And BD is 6. Notice actually that we can actually simplify 18 over 6 is just 3 over 1. And now we can cross multiply. X times 1 is X equals 10 times 3, which is 30. So the length of CE, which is what we were looking for, is 30.